Hello everyone. In this particular program, we have to print this pattern and 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1. And if you check here in this, both the pattern means both the column 3 is missing. Okay. 3 is not present here. So always you have to check the question for problem first of all and understand the question, understand the problem and clearly see the problem because most of the time people make a mistake. Okay. They just have a look of the problem and they understood and they start the problem solving, but sometimes they find out a wrong output. Okay, they sometimes they are getting a some wrong output in the sense not an actual output which we want exactly. So please follow this process. Okay, now let's go and design this problem because it's not a so difficult, it's simple. So for I in, and I'm going to take a two variables, so for I comma j in a zip function. Why I'm taking a zip function? Because inside the zip function we can take a multiple range function. And as if you check this problem, the first output is the incrementing order. First column is the increment order 1, 2, 4, 5. Second is the decrement order 5, 4, 2, 1. And you know that in for loop how we take that. Okay, so first column I is going to represent your first range function. So it will start from 1 and it is going to be end 5. So I have to take the 6. Okay, you know that why. And second range function, actually j is going to represent your second range function. So we are starting from the 5 comma and we are going for greater than 0. Greater than 0 is so greater than 0 is basically 1 and we have to decrement by 1. So minus 1. Okay, we have to decrement by 1. So that is a minus 1 we are taking. Okay, fine. So in both the column, you know that it is missing. Okay, so if I equal to 3 and logical and j is equal to 3, if I is value of I is 3 and value of j is 3, so this time when this condition will be true, it will come inside and we will use the continue keyword. You know that what is the value of continue keyword. Okay, and just outside of this, what I'll do exactly, I'll print the I comma, I'll take some space comma j, and this is what I want exactly. Fine, this is cool and I think it is perfect. Yeah, so I'll just take a variable I equal to comma j equal to, and what value is going to be stored. So what is the starting value of I is representing a first range function, so the starting value of I is a 1, and j is representing the second range function, the starting value of j is a 5. So value of I is 1, 1 is equal to 3, value of j is 5, 5 equal to 3. No, so it will come here directly because condition is false, so come here directly and it will print 1 and 5. In the next iteration, the value of I will be 2 and the value of j is going to decrement by 1, so it is going to be 4. Again, it will check here 2 equal to 3 and 4 equal to 3. No, condition is false. So again, this condition false. If condition is false, it will come here and print the I or j 2 or 4. Okay. In the next iteration, the value of I will be 3 and the value of j will be 5. So it will check here 3 is equal, sorry, the value of j is going to be 3. It is going to decrement. Okay. So 3 is equal to 3 and 3 is equal to 3. This time condition is true and it will come inside this block, and this time interpreter will see, oh, continue keyword. So continue keyword means the whatever the statement or whatever the instructions you have write down just after this if block, it doesn't matter, because when your interpreter will see the continue means it is going to directly continue for the next iteration and it is not going to print whatever you have write down here. So definitely 3 is not going to display. So this is what a circle and this is what a way in what way it is going to be print. So you can check here what output you are getting: 1, 2, 4, 5 and 5, 4, 2, 1, and the spaces are also there. Spaces depend on that how much space you are providing inside of this double quotes or single quotes, because whatever you take in inside the single quote or double quote, it is considered as a string, so it is considering space as also like that. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1. You can pause this and you can check this output. So this is a very good output we are getting here, and you can understand here guys that we are using this particular example, we are using this particular code to understand the things new concept, that is a zip function. You can take a multiple range function, and for representing a multiple range function you can take a multiple different variables. So I hope you have understood. So we will see in the next video guys. Thank you very much.